Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of -0.28 for real estate, which is notably below the historical baseline. This isn't just a minor dip, it suggests a significant downturn in market perception, especially given that momentum remains flat at +0.00. With 19 semantic clusters in play, you can pinpoint specific areas of concern driving negativity. Using our API, you can extract this sentiment data along with the underlying themes, allowing you to tailor your analysis or strategy. For instance, if you're developing a predictive model for real estate investments, you could leverage this sentiment score to adjust your risk assessments or identify potential opportunities for buying low. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.